create Marvel Rivals account. So if you want to create a Marvel Rivals account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Marvel Rivals. And after searching, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have www.marvelrivals.com. You need to just click on it. It will take you to the official website. And once it takes you to the official website, you just need simply go with login option, which is on the top right. And here it will ask you to log into your account, right? So select any option that you would like to use. So I'll just simply go with the Steam option. After going with Steam, now you just need simply go with sign in and make sure to sign into your Steam account. You will receive a code. You need to go with the verification code, copy the code from your mail and paste it on the sign in page. Now, once you've signed into your Steam, here it says that if you want to sign into your www.marvelrivals.com using your Steam account, then you just need simply go with sign in. By clicking on sign in, it will directly take all of your information from your Steam and use that to create an account on your Rivals, and you'll be logged in to your Rivals with your Steam account. So as you can see that your account has been created using your Steam. So that's it. That's how you can create a Marvel Rivals account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.